January is National Soup Month, and if you're looking for a delicious soup to start the month off, keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, it's National Soup Month, and I am so excited. I have been working on this for quite a while now, and I have tons of soup recipes that I'm going to be bringing with you. Please note that every Tuesday and Thursday I will post a new video, and on some of the other days during the week I will either share old recipes or share just a link to recipes, or just share some fun facts, some jokes, or just some helpful tips when you're making soup. So every day in the month of January, there will be something posted on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and YouTube. I don't know about TikTok. I don't know about that. But I will have something every day, but Tuesdays and Thursdays are my days where I will post a new soup recipe. So I hope you're looking forward to that. So today, friends, I am making a shrimp Thai soup. After we go over all the ingredients, we're gonna go head over to the stove and get started. So I have a pound of uncooked shrimp, black pepper, kosher salt, 3 cups of chicken broth. The recipe did call for vegetable broth, but I had that on hand, so I'm using that. 1 chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 garlic cloves minced, and a tablespoon of minced ginger. It calls for basmati rice. I think that's how you say it. I bought the kind where you can just cook it in the microwave for like 90 seconds, so I'm gonna skip the process of cooking it, boiling it in water, but I am linking the recipe so it'll have the directions if you buy the kind that's not in the pouch like that. And I have some Thai curry paste, some lime juice, and you'll love this, friends. It calls for coriander. I could not find coriander anywhere in my stores. Come to find out, coriander is the same as cilantro. So I have some cilantro and coconut milk. So friends, that's all the ingredients. Let's get ahead and get this put together. So friends, like I said, I want to show you up close. This is the rice that I bought. There are tons of them, and I don't know if you can see in there. It has like water in there. It says, I don't have my glasses on, water, organic rice, the basmati rice, I'm sorry, sunflower oil, and salt. So I just did this so I don't have to boil the water and cook the rice. And I know it comes in all different kind of packages. This is the only one my store had, and it is organic. But I'll post the link to this recipe in the description box because it is not my recipe. And if you buy the regular rice in a regular bag, it'll tell you how to go ahead and cook it in this recipe. So let me stop talking and let's head to that stove. All right, my friends, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my pan on. I just have like little Dutch, I guess they're called Dutch ovens. We're gonna get that heated up real quick. I have, this is 2 tablespoons. I just sliced it in 3, so that is not 3 tablespoons, it's only 2 of unsalted butter. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there and melt it. All right, my friends, nice and hot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my shrimp and dump that in. Let's set this aside because we're gonna wash that out and reuse it once we cook the shrimp. Now I'm just spreading them out a little bit. I'm gonna season them real quick. We're just gonna add enough for taste. And then I have my kosher salt. Just go ahead and mix them up. We're gonna cook these for about 3 minutes or so, just until they're pink. We don't wanna overcook them. Okay. Just gonna give it a good... All right, my friends, we are done with our shrimp. Get a spoon. I think that will make my life a little easier. Definitely. Put that out. We're just going to sit this aside and we're going to add it back in at the very end because you don't want the shrimp to cook for a very long time because they get very dry and like rubbery almost. I don't know. You don't want to overcook them. Let's put it that way. Smells divine. Alright, I'm just going to put that off on the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2 cloves of minced garlic. It's just, I just did a little bit more than a teaspoon of garlic. Mine's already minced up. And then I'm going to add in my 1 chopped onion. And then my 1 red bell pepper. And then we're just going to give this a good stir. Make sure I don't burn my garlic. And we're going to let this cook for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes or so, 4 or 5 minutes. We just want it to get soft. Okay. Alright, my friends, I think we are just about there. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of my minced or grated ginger. I love the smell of ginger. Smells so delicious. Now we're just going to mix this up really well. We're going to cook it for about a minute or 2. Just stir it really well. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, it smells so delicious. Okay, I'm going to let that go for about a minute, and while that's doing that, I'm going to show you, I have 2 tablespoons of my red curry paste, and I'm mixing it really well, because it kind of has like an oil that sits on top of it, and I'm just mixing. So this is 2 tablespoons of the red curry paste. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and add that right in there, and get every last drop. Mix that up real quick. The smell. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. Smell-o-vision would be a wonderful invention. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my coconut milk, and that's what it looks like. Alright, now let's go ahead and stir that up really well. Just want to stir it really, really good. Love the color. Just stir it and just let it come to a slight boil. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and add in our 3 cups of vegetable broth. Like I said, I used chicken because that's what I had on hand. And then we're going to let this go for about 2 or 3 minutes and bring it up to a boil. Alright, my friends, it has now come to a boil. Just going to give it a quick stir, and then we're going to let it simmer for about 8 minutes or so. And then we're going to put in the last of the ingredients. Alright, my friends, my time is up. I went ahead and cooked my rice in the microwave. I'm adding the bag. This is a 8.1 ounce bag. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our lime juice, 1 squeezed lime. And then 2 tablespoons of cilantro or coriander. I always want to say cilantro. I don't know why, but I say that all the time. Oh, look how pretty that is. And then we're going to add our shrimp back in. And I'm just going to let it go for a few more minutes. Alright, my friends. Oh, look at that. Can y'all see that? Let me get my spoon. Oh, that looks delicious. Now this is definitely more brothy, which I like. If you want it to be thicker, you could always add 2 packages of that rice. So I only used 1 packet, but that is a personal preference. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off now. Take some out, put it in a bowl, and give it a taste test. Alright, my friends, here it is. I'm so excited because it smells so good. Look at that. Does that look delicious? Oh, yum. Let's taste the broth. Mmm. I like it. Ooh. Mmm. There's a lot of flavor going on here. Oh my. Mmm. Oh, I really like this a lot. I'm gonna keep eating while I'm talking to you. I think I ate that big hunk of cilantro. I did. Oh, friends. I think this is absolutely delicious. I love, love, love it. So friends, that is it. That is our first soup recipe in the book for 2024. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you end up making this recipe, please comment below. If you enjoyed the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And if you haven't already, please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.